Don't. Oh, Mircom, nice. Schindler. Looks like this is just a new development. P3? Nice. Schindler. Down to P3. No camera here yet, because it's a fairly brand new building, car 6. Parking out. I'm not going to do the main building because of obvious reasons, for my own safety and others. 15 people, 130 kilograms. P3. Very interesting. I like it. Lobby. It's a Schindler, as you can tell. By the fixtures, this is something you don't see very often on Schindlers. I want to show you something to the residential entrance, but I'm not going to enter in the building unless someone asks me why I'm standing there. Make that explanation. See? No lighting, trespassing, soliciting. You do not want to do that. Isn't that interesting? This will be added to those. That's Mircom, the TX3, I think. And that's it. Interesting. Very interesting. Yorkville Plaza. This is a new residential section. That's it.